In today's video, we'll discover how to create a 2D hole in your projects. For doing so, we'll need to have a part to receive the hole. We're using this plate as an example. Select the 2D hole tool and feed it with the needed information, such as the hole's type, dimensions, and properties. Then click on OK and select Middle Line so you can center the hole to the drawing face. The Reverse button alters the side of the hole, and the Settings button opens the Configurations menu again in case you've made a mistake while inputting the information. Now, you just need to click on the line, and that's it. Moving on, we'll create a front vision hole. Select the 2D hole tool and the front hole tab right below where you'll inform the hole's radius. Then select what you want to add, such as the thread, if any, hatch removal, and/or centerline. Select the reference point for the hole, and we're finished. If you like that tip, comment below. And if you haven't downloaded our software yet, you can find it on the link in the descriptions. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.